What's up, guys? Always freaking amazing to see you. If you are not one of my friends already, I hope by the end of the video you become one. And excuse me as I itch my damn face. Is it just me? I get allergies, I get a runny nose and watery eyes and then fucking itchy skin. I don't know what it is. So if you see red marks on my face, it's because I have reactive skin and itchy skin. That's an A+ combo, isn't it? All right, let's go ahead and talk about what this video is about and why you're watching me. I am trying a new hair color. So before, I've always used IGK and I get copper cola. So that's what this is right over here. And for some reason, I thought the hair dye online was a lot more expensive than it was. I was freaking shocked. So what I decided to try is eSalon. So I took their hair quiz and it only cost me $26, which is surprising because my IGK is $28. So $2 savings there. And this is the box that came. And like I said, $26. It even comes with instructions with my name on it, which is nice. It comes with a little hair tool, and then they even thought about how to put your directions up. They have a little sticker over here. It says, "Let me hold that." That is so freaking cute. Okay, look at this presentation. I'm telling you, this beats box dye you buy from the store. This makes you feel really special. When I opened it up, I just was like, wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Now, over here, there is formula number 1. I'm going to get to why there's different formulas. So formula 1 over here. Over here, this is a big damn box, is formula number 2. Now, there are 2 formulas, and I had to look this up because I'm pretty new at dyeing my hair. I've did box dye from the store pretty much all my life, so I've never heard of this term before. You probably have heard of it. It's called hot roots. So they give you 2 formulas to prevent that. So they have a formula for your roots, and then for the rest of your hair they have a second formula. I had to look it up. I'm sitting there, I was like, this term does not exist because I've never heard of it before. And then I looked it up and I saw the pictures. I'm like, oh my god. Have I been running around? And they say that you get it from box dye. I must have had it and just not known about it. But now that's making me second guess all these decades I've dyed my hair because I've never heard of that damn term before. So you have 2 formulas and they go on about it in your directions here. So the other things they have gloves, of course. And then there's just a box that says extras. I have not opened it up, so I have no idea what's in here. Okay, they have their classic shampoo, which they sell on eSalon, and then classic conditioner, stain guard, a stain remover, and then they have the standard directions. So I'm guessing if something happens over here, you have a backup one, which is nice. I prefer this one. It has my name on it. I feel special. So the color that I got is going to be called Auburn. It is a very intense red, and I think that would look really good with my skin tone and my look that I go for. So I think it suits me better. I, for some reason, like it a lot more. I have dirty blonde hair. I've always dyed it strawberry blonde because that's what I liked. Then I stepped into copper cola and I'm starting to love the red tones on me. I'm getting a shit ton of compliments and people actually believe it's my hair color. Now, like I said, bottle number 1. So this is going to go on the roots. They have my hair color because there's somebody that formulates your color for you. So you take a quiz. And my bottle number 1 is going to have dark blonde, mahogany, and red. Then my second bottle that's going to be over here is going to be just mahogany and red. So I'm excited how this is going to turn out. If I will be able to pull this off, then anybody can. Because like I said, I'm a noob when it comes to this kind of stuff. So if I can do it, you can do it. And hopefully I come back with gorgeous hair and hair still on my head. If I come on here bald-headed, it will be a fail, won't it? Okay, I'm gonna go and handle this, see how it looks, and see if it's worth it. Because if it's not worth it and the box dyes, Revlon, Feria are worth it more, then I'm gonna come on here and tell you that, because I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. So who's ready for a change? I am. Be back, guys. I am back, y'all, and I'm not bald-headed. Yay for me. Now I'm gonna let you take a look at my hair so you can see the mahogany shade on me. Let me know what you think of it. Do you like the shade I picked? So give me your thoughts and opinions, or do you think I made a mistake picking the shade? So all I did was curl it, and I added a little bit of hair oil because my hair is extremely dry. That's all I did with it, but look at this. Do I love it? Yes, I do. I am so glad I went for the deeper shade. I think it really complements my skin tone, my eyes. I am so stoked. Now, the directions. They were so stinking easy that I had no issues whatsoever. They gave the tip about how to do your roots first, the rest of your hair. They had me leave it on for 30 minutes, which was absolutely fine. The only issue, comparing it to IGK did not have a very powerful scent, and I had no feeling whatsoever on my scalp. This here, there was a very pungent scent to it. So that is one thing. The other thing is, for about 10 minutes, I had like a cooling sensation. It did not burn, but I was kind of weary of that. I was like, oh no, there's a sensation. Do I need to worry? Is it going to start to burn? After the 10 minutes, there was no burn whatsoever. But like I said, you're going to have to be in a very ventilated room because the scent was powerful. But for these results, I'm really freaking stoked. And one thing I like about the shade is it has dimension. It's not one flat shade. I'm absolutely in love with this. I cannot go back to boxed hair dye. Now, the price. I was wrong about something. So there were two formulas, like I said. The root formula is what you're going to get if you're just paying the, what was it, $26. Now, that is with the auto delivery. If you do auto ship, you can cancel, they say, or you can totally stop the delivery. It's up to you. If you don't want it anymore, it's totally customizable, and it's all on the app on the phone. So the extra color, which I'm going to get because red is really hard to keep, that they say is going to be $22. That was a free gift they threw in. I really appreciate it. If they did not put it in, I wouldn't have known that I needed that. So I probably wouldn't have been as happy with my hair color. And I would have known about hot roots or whatever that was called. And like I said, I wouldn't have been this happy because the color just blends perfectly. I'm so happy. I really took a camera and I looked at my roots to make sure, because I can't see it until I'm looking down like this and I'm editing. Like I said on my last video, I looked down and my whole scalp was orange. It was not pretty whatsoever. I was embarrassed, but I wasn't going to scrap the video. So that's why I left you a lovely note saying Captain Orange over here, because I didn't see it until I was editing. I don't have any of that. I'm going to let you take a look and watch. It's going to be colored. But from what I saw with the camera, I am so stoked with how it looks. And that solves my problem, that why it looked so weird at the roots. I didn't know there was a term for it. Now, with it being $22.50 for the add-on, you do get 20% off of that if you're going to get that part of your bundle. And they said that you can add it once a month, you can add it every 2 months. It's totally up to you. So if you just get the $26 one, you're going to get the root only. If you have brown shades or something like that, I don't think you need the boost all the time. I'm personally going to get it, like I said, because red hair is a pain in the ass to keep. And with me washing it every day, sometimes 2 times a day, I'm going to need that boost. I'm probably going to dye my hair every 2 months, but if I have to customize it and get it earlier or later, it's really easy to do on my phone, which I'm really stoked about. Now, what I'm going to do, I will put a link in it after a week of me wearing this. I do get, I think, a small discount. Everybody can get that link, but I will put that in there. You don't have to use it. I think it says something that you save 25 and I save 25 on my next order or something like that. I am not working with them. Anybody can use that code, but I'm gonna only put it in there if I'm happy with the results. I want to give it a test run for a week, and then if you look in the description box, I will have a link there for you. But it's easy to find. It's eSalon, really simple. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep using this unless something goes terribly wrong in the week, but I really doubt it because this is freaking gorgeous. I am so freaking stoked on this. But let me know what you think. Am I seeing something different than you're seeing? Because be honest with me, I value you guys' opinion so damn much. Now, we've made it to the end of the video. If you made it this far, you guys are fucking awesome, and I'm so glad to have amazing friends like you. So it's at the end of the video, your favorite time, my favorite time. Let's do burr baby time. I just thought of something in my little goldfish brain. One thing, a tip that I did not know to do is the hair color. When you're done, I put it in my shower, and when I was done with the 30 minutes I hopped in the shower, they say take warm water, shake it up, and then put it in your hair and really give your hair a massage and then rinse it out. I thought that was a really good tip. I never knew that either. Probably all my hair people out there are like, duh, we've always done that, but this noob did not know that. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. You guys are fucking amazing, and I look forward to seeing you, like I said. Bye, guys.